Hello guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we will answer the question, does YouTube TV have Bally Sports? Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not give access to Bally Sports. That means you won't be able to catch your favorite games or maybe shows from Bally Sports if you are a YouTube TV subscriber, which is actually really sad, but of course we have a way around that and you will be still able to watch Bally Sports in other streaming platforms. If you're really into it, don't worry. You can still watch it on other streaming services like Sling, Hulu, Fubo. So if you're looking for a way to get the Bally Sports, you might want to consider one of these options, Sling, Hulu, or Fubo. Also, there's an extra choice for you. If you're a DirecTV stream subscriber and you chose the Choice Pack, you can get actually Bally Sports for $89.99 per month. This makes DirecTV the only streaming service that actually lets you stream Bally Sports to your device. And yes, this is really good. Even though YouTube TV is great choice for many things, it is not the right one for Bally Sports. So yes, in the end, you might want to explore other streaming options to catch your general action. Other than that, that was basically it. We hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.